Good morning everyone. Welcome to your maths class and I am your maths teacher Vinita Patel ma'am. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Dear students, I hope you all have doing your homework every day. Yesterday I have given you homework of subtraction with regrouping. I have given you 4 questions and I hope that you all have done your homework. Today again I am going to teach you the same concept, subtraction with regrouping. In this concept, we have to borrow some numbers from the bigger place values because we are not able to deduct the numbers properly. So here is this. Now observe this. Now in the first question, 5236 minus 3479. So first we have to write down the place value of each number: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So first we have to start from ones place value. Subtract the ones. So in this we are not able to subtract 9 from 6. So we have to borrow from tens. So it will be 2 tens. We have to take 1 tens from here. So this number will be 16. So now we have to deduct 9 from 16. So after 9 we have to start counting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many numbers are here? 7. So now come to the tens place value. 2 is here. We are not able to deduct 7 from 2. So again we have to borrow a number from hundreds. Here is 1 and here is 12. We have to borrow 1 hundreds from this. So look everyone, which number is this? 12. Now we are able to deduct 7 from 12. So now count down: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 are left. Again we are not able to deduct 4 from 1. So again look here, we have to cut this, make it 4 and we have to again borrow this. Now it's 11 number. So now we are able to deduct 4 from 11. Yes. So now start counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many numbers are here? 7. Now 4 minus 3, it is very easy. So we have to write down 1. So the answer is 1000 because it's under 100 thousands place. 750 and then 7. So 1757 is the answer. Now come to the B part. Again the question is that 4568 is you have to subtract 2783. So first we have to write down ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Place, you have to, this is very important to write down the place. Okay. So look everyone, 8 minus 3, it is very easy. So we have to write down 5 here. 6 minus 8 is not easy work. So again we have to borrow from hundreds. It will be 4 and it will convert into 1, 6, 16. So we are able to deduct 8 from 16. So the remaining number is 8. Now look everyone, from 4 it is very difficult to deduct 7. So again we have to borrow from thousands place. 3 is here and 1, 4, 14 is here. So we have to deduct 7 from 14. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many numbers are left here now? 7. Now 3 minus 2 is very easy. So we have to write down 1. So dear students, in this, are you observe that under place value we have to write down each number. So the answer is 1785. I hope you all understand this concept. Now come to the C part. Yes. Again I am going to write down ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now are you able to see? First come to the ones place. 5 minus 8, it is very difficult. So again we have to take from here. 2 is here and we have to borrow from tens. 1, 5, 15. So look everyone, 15 minus 8 is possible. So the answer is 7. Now look everyone, we are unable to deduct 9 from 2. So we have to again take help from hundreds place. And look everyone, this number is 12. So 12 minus 9 is easy to do. So the answer is 3. Now 3. Again it is very difficult to do 3 minus 6. So we have to again borrow from thousands place. And this number will be again 13. So it is easy. So after 6 we have to start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 13 means 7. Now 7 minus 5 is 2, because it is very easy. The bigger number is here and the smaller number is here, so it is very easy to do. But when the smaller number is at upper place and the bigger number is at lower place, then we have to borrow from the other place value numbers. So look everyone, so the answer is 2737. Now come to the next part. I hope you all understand the concept of this. Now look everyone, again we have to write down ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now look everyone, again 7352 minus 4768. Overall, when we are able to observe the numbers thousands place, the number is smaller, but this number is bigger and this one is smaller, so we have to borrow from tens place and we have to make this number as 12. So now it is easier to deduct 8 from 12. So the answer is 4. In this case again 4 is smaller number and 6 is bigger number. So in this case we are not able to deduct 6 from 4. So again we have to take help from hundreds place and this number will be 14. So 14 minus 6 is again easy to do. So the answer is 8. Now observe everyone, in this case again it is difficult to deduct 7 from 2. So what we have to do? Again we have to take help from thousands place. So it will be 6 and this will be 12. So 12 is a bigger number and this is a smaller number. So now we are able to deduct 7 from 12. So the remaining numbers are 5. So in this case 6 is bigger and 4 is smaller. So I hope we are able to deduct it directly without taking help from anyone else. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer is 2584. Dear students, in all these things you are able to see that the smaller number comes at the bottom and the bigger number comes at the top. But when we are having some numbers at ones place, tens place or hundreds place, the number is smaller, bigger, and at the top the numbers are smaller. So in this case we have to take help from the other place values. Like if ones we are not able to do, then we have to take help from tens place. We are not able to do the work at tens place, then we have to take help from hundreds place, and after that finally we have to take help from thousands place. I hope you all understand the concept of subtraction with regrouping. And dear students, I am giving you homework also. You have to try to solve the homework, do the questions without taking help from your parents, and do it as your own. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.